In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear liftgate support on your Ford Expedition. I recommend supporting the tailgate before removing the strut. Have a friend hold it, or use a pole jack or hood prop. We're going to use a right angle pick. Go under this little fitting and pop it out. After we do that, we can push up slightly on the tailgate and pull the support off. Do the same thing on the other side. And remove the support. When installing the new support, you can have these clips in the locked position and just press it onto the little ball. Do the same thing on the other side. If you install the support, remove that now, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.